Peace, love, and light, everyone. So right now I'm at a Patreon conference. I'm in LA. I've been in LA since Wednesday, y'all. I've been so busy that I'm now just able to do the video for the LA meet and greet. You know, I always like to post on YouTube about the meet and greet. We're on a quick break right now. Like I said, I'm at a Patreon conference. So I gotta give a special shout out to all my Patreon members. If any of you are in LA, you can still contact me at prettybosscity@gmail.com if you want to attend the meet and greet tomorrow from 2 to 4 p.m. Okay, that's California time. All right, you can still email me and make sure you get your member discount. If you're not a member, you can still come and get tickets at early bird prices, okay, before midnight tonight, y'all. I won't be able to guarantee early bird ticket prices after tomorrow because I have to still make sure I have everything that I need to set up, okay? So anyways, like always, we're talking about 4D consciousness. It's crazy because I'm in this conference. I've met some amazing people. There's going to be some amazing collaborations coming on YouTube and on Patreon, okay? The Most High is working. I'm literally living this, what I'm talking about with the 4D consciousness, moving from the 3D consciousness into 4D. What are we talking about? When we're talking about chakras, we're talking about how do you move from your lower chakra, being trapped in those energies, ascending through the heart chakra and being able to live life and experience it through your higher consciousness, through your higher energy, okay? We're also talking about the third dimension. We all know about the matrix. How do you get about the matrix? How do you exist in this new wave, in this new day and age? The internet has changed everything. I've been telling people this for the past 10 years and it's still not too late. It's still at the very beginning. Okay, so we're talking about what is the third dimension? What is that matrix? That's the fear-based reality. Okay, moving from a fear-based to a love-based reality. Being able to connect with your heart's desire so that you truly can do any and everything that you ever could imagine, even exceeding what you could imagine. So that's what this 4D Consciousness lecture is about, y'all. Okay? We're really getting in. It's also live Q&A, and it's also a chance for me to meet with you all in person. It's a chance for you to meet with other people in your city, other like minds, okay? And again, like I said, I have Patreon goodie bags, okay? So if you are a Patreon and you would like to go, just make sure that you do RSVP by tonight, because if you come tomorrow or you sign up tomorrow, I won't have your goodie bag at the meeting group, okay? But anyways, y'all, it's amazing. Right now I'm in a different workshop, so I wanted to come check in with you all, do a quick YouTube video. Y'all, I even met, I don't know if any of you have heard of Passion for Christ Movement, P4CM. I knew about it because one of my best friends was like a big fan. They do a lot of different things, and they remind me of a lot of what I do. They combine poetry, hip hop. So it's like we're talking about collabing on major scales. These meet and greets, y'all, are going to the next level. So I even love those of you who have been coming out early, who have been supporting from day one, because I got your contact and y'all in from day one. These Pretty Boss TV meet and greets, it's a bigger vision for this, y'all. This is about going state to state, connecting like people, spreading that energy, vibrating on that higher scale so that we have more light workers out here doing this work and bridging this gap, okay? My friends know what I say. In the spirit realm, it's Robin Hood right now, okay? It's time for reaping season. Everything that you have sown is what you will reap. And if you want to continue to be successful, or if you want to figure out why is it that I haven't been successful, what is that missing link? It's because you're still trapped in that 3D. And until you get out of that, which is something that you must first do internally, your external reality will never reflect that which you truly want it to be. Living testament of what I teach, y'all. Stepping outside of your comfort zone, doing things new, just doing something completely different. That's how you get the things that you want to get out of life. That's how you meet the people that you're supposed to meet. Everything is one step outside of your comfort zone. So anyways, y'all, come out, LA meet and greet. Private location, so you can either email me at prettybosscity@gmail.com. I'm also going to put the ticket links in the description. And make sure, if you're not already, follow me on Instagram. Follow me at Kendra Justine. I love y'all. I cannot wait to see the people who are already on the way. Shouts out to everybody coming from out of town. Okay, and if you are coming out of town, if you decide last minute, even if you're like maybe an hour or two outside and you want to get a hotel room, let me know, because I got the discount ticket rate links, okay, for the hotel. Okay, we're staying 4-star and better. All right, so y'all already know what it is. Can't say what it is because it's a private event. You can't know unless you book. But anyways, I love y'all. More videos on the way, y'all. Like I said, we're at the Patriot Conference right now, taking things to a major scale. It's all about creating better content. I want to make sure that my videos are for my YouTubers, not even just the Patreons, but of course, you know, my Patreons, y'all get what y'all want. So I'm creating content that's really going to be transformative. It's about quantity. It's about quality over quantity, and that's what I've been wanting to do. I have so many live streams, so many different lectures, so many things that I've been producing, and I'm finally going to be able to put out. So I love my patrons. I thank you for your support. Also, for the people who now, I forgot to mention, you can now join on YouTube. So if you just wanted to support the channel just for, I think it's $4.99 a month, you can also just join directly on YouTube as well, and you get a few benefits with that. You get like live Q&A, different things, and then also when you're in my live streams, I can see your questions better when you do ask. So anyways, y'all, I love y'all. 2018, 2019 is popping, y'all. We're already in 2019, okay? Doing big things. Remember, follow your heart. If you're scared, you're doing great, because life is right outside of your comfort zone. I love y'all. Talk to y'all later.